Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Windows Hello or facial recognition option in your Windows. It's very simple. Simply come over into your Windows Start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for Settings. After that, here you will get an option called System. If you click on that, then you will get you need to scroll down a little bit and you will find the option called Optional Features. If you click on that, there will be an option called Facial Recognition. You can see over here. If you doesn't find it, you just simply come over into View Features, and from here you just need to type facial or hello over here, and from there you can find it and click on next and add the feature into your Windows. After that, you just need to go for into account section, and then you just need to select the sign in option, and from here you will get the option called facial recognition. I don't have any camera, that's why I cannot get to select setup. If you have camera, then you will get option called setup, and from there you can simply enable this facial recognition option into your Windows. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.